You pick judge number 2.
Hi, male candidate number 2. How are you feeling?
Hi ma'am, Mariah Nabango po. I am quite nervous but I think that I will really ace this question.
Alright. So here's your question. As an aspiring Mr. DCOMC 2024, we all know that you will play a fundamental role in the institution. So my question is, as an aspiring Mr. DCOMC, how would you be able to make your reign effectively? Again, we all know that you will play a fundamental role in the institution. As an aspiring Mr. DCOMC 2024, how would you be able to make your reign effectively?
Thank you for that wonderful question. Ladies and gentlemen, and those in between, Braga Community College is really giving us a high quality education. It is stated on the Republic Act 10931 or the Universal Access for Quality Tertiary Education. And as your next Mr. DCOMC 2024, I will use my power, the power of education. I will connect with the communities. I will indulge with them. I will connect the communities and the school and provide projects such as Brigada Pagbasa. And I will use my platform if I will reign as the next Mr. DCOMC. I will use my platform to provide projects for the young generation, because as a future education or as a future educator, I really believe that education is the foundation of the human society. That will be all.
Okay, judge number 4.
Contestant number 3. My question is, do you think about education system in your school or DCOMC? Again. My question is, what do you think about education system in your school or DCOMC?
So, thank you for that wonderful question. Again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and to our judges. I think the education system here in the Philippines is one of the best educational system that I've seen so far. Because DCOMC produce most of teachers that will create the next students to be a better person. That's why I know that the DCOMC is the one of the best schools out there. Thank you.
Judge number 3.
Alright, good evening, candidate number 10. So your question is, how will you inspire others to believe that they too can make a difference? Again, how will you inspire others to believe that they too can make a difference?
Thank you for that wonderful question. I will, as a future MDC, I will use my platform or my image to serve as an inspiration to everyone to explore more and to seek for more growth as well. And and be the one that will be the voice for those who want to be heard and well and don't be scared to fail because for me failing is part of for you to achieve your success. It's, failure is nahuhulog tayo bilang isang person and tulong rin sa atin to para sa hinahanap.
Okay, so you've been judge number
Number
1.
6, good evening, BCOC. It's nice to be back again here. Okay, here's your question. Being a future educator, what do you think is the critical issue in the field of education that needs to be resolved, and what solutions do you propose? Again, being a future educator, what do you think is the critical issue in the field of education that needs to be resolved, and what solutions do you propose?
As a future educator and based on what I observe in my observation in teaching in our field study, and the critical issues I see in education is the diversity of learners and their disabilities. Instructions provided by teachers are not that 100% effective, which some of students feel to be left behind. And I think it is always important to propose a solution that I am about to propose to solve that issues is to group the abilities of the learners by according to their ability, if they are a low, average, and advanced students, so that everyone is equal inside the classroom with the same abilities, and instruction can be more responsive and relevant to their teaching and learning. And I think in that way they can always achieve quality and effective instruction and to make themselves as a better individual. Thank you.
Thank you.